Hey, everyone. Are you tired of messy notes? Do you need a better way to organize your thoughts? Today, I'm going to show you my note-taking system using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll be able to enhance your note-taking and studying significantly. First, capture your notes quickly. When in class, type or dictate into ChatGPT. Forget about handwriting worries. Just input the information, and it organizes everything for you. Ask it to summarize key points of any lecture. You'll receive a well-structured summary instantly. Next, structure and organize your notes. Once you have them, ask ChatGPT to create categories or subtopics. For instance, request a study guide including definitions and key concepts. It's like having a personal assistant helping you digest your notes. Then, create flashcards for review. Use ChatGPT to transform your notes into flashcards. You could ask it to create flashcards on any topic, like photosynthesis. Now, you'll have study materials ready anytime. Next, follow up with questions and refine your understanding. If you need more details, ask ChatGPT for clarifications. You can request explanations on complex subjects like the carbon cycle. It'll provide detailed answers without confusion. Finally, review and reflect on your learning. When it's time to review, simply request a summary of key points from ChatGPT. This helps solidify your understanding and ensures you cover everything important. So there you have it. My entire note-taking system powered by ChatGPT. It's faster, organized, and enhances information retention. I hope this helps you elevate your note-taking game. Now, go ahead and apply what you've learned today.